Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create the glowing silk screen coloring on CapCut. So first, just add your clips and head to the adjust menu, and in here click on filter, or you can also use just go to filter, and the first filter is under the portrait section. Find the metal filter, this one, and adjust it to only 50. Click on the check icon and add the second filter. On the movies category, find the high saturation filter and also adjust it to 50 like the first one. Click on the check icon. Now go to the video effect, find the texture section, this one, and select the dot silkscreen effect. Adjust the texture to 0, filter 65, the color 45, and the size 50. Okay, now add the second video effect, which is the glow. So you can find the edge glow effect under the lens category. Okay, and adjust it to 25. And that's it, you are done. So this will be the result for the glowy silk screen coloring. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.